Hi, my name is Kelly Singleton. Today I'm going to share with you more about the 24-Day Challenge program, who it's for, and how it works. Now, first I want to let you know that the 24-Day Challenge is for anyone who is looking to increase energy, strip body fat, preserve lean muscle tissue, or someone who just wants to increase their overall wellness. It's even great for athletes that want to increase their performance. Basically, the 24-Day Challenge is for everybody. That's right. It's important to note the 24-Day Challenge is actually not a weight loss program. It's a health and wellness program, and it's designed to get your body hitting all cylinders and to get you healthy. People get amazing results because they're putting high-quality nutrition in their body. Now, before I share more about this program, check out some of these results that people all across the nation are already getting.
As soon as Advocare found me through a friend, I hopped on that 24-day challenge and changed my life forever. I'm spunky. I got my old self back again.
After baby number 4, I was having a hard time losing the weight. So I went ahead and did the 24-day challenge and dropped from a size 10 to a 6 in 2 months.
I've lost 35 pounds. I've gone from a 38 waist to a 32.
I lost 20 pounds and 20 inches. And since then, to date, I've lost 99 pounds total.
As a 40-year-old mom of 2, I was amazed at the results. I'm in.
It's been a journey that's helped me go from a size 14 to a size 4. I was 185 at the time, and I'm 145 now.
This was me, and I was at 297, dropped 87 pounds. It literally felt like that I stepped into a time machine and went back 20 years.
I lost 29 pounds the first 24 days. Over the next 4 months, lost a total of 65. Now, at 3 years later, I've lost 122 pounds.
Within 6 months, I had lost 80 pounds. Brian had lost 60 pounds, and today I have lost 93, and he's lost 75. And so, I mean, you can only imagine how drastically our lives have been changed because of that, and it was a result of Advocare.
Okay, so this is how the 24-Day Challenge is set up. Days 1 through 10 is called the cleanse phase, and it includes the Herbal Cleanse, Omegaplex, and Spark. Days 11 through 24 is called the max phase, and it includes the metabolic nutrition system, our meal replacement shakes, and of course, you get to keep drinking Spark. Now, this is how it works. The Herbal Cleanse is basically a spring cleaning for your body. The best way to describe it would be gentle and uneventful, so no need to worry about the word cleanse. This product is going to work with your body to help you get rid of toxins and impurities in your system, so you get the maximum absorption out of the food you eat and, of course, the supplements you take. The Omegaplex is really neat too. This product is going to deliver high-quality omega-3 fatty acids, and the neat thing about this, when your body gets good fats, you'll notice that your craving for bad fats begins to diminish. Also, when your body gets good fats, it's able to get rid of the bad fats easier. Now, ladies, something else pretty cool about Omegaplex is the fact that when you get high-quality omega-3s, you'll start to notice healthier skin, hair, nails, and complexion. So this is definitely a win-win, right? The last component of the cleanse phase is Spark. Spark is a mental focus drink that delivers 3 to 5 hours of mental focus. So think of it as brain food. This is great for test takers, athletes, businessmen and women, moms, dads, etc. Really anyone who needs more focus throughout their day. You'll notice that you become much more task-oriented, and daunting projects like setting for that final or cleaning your house become a cinch. So that's days 1 through 10 of the cleanse phase. All right, so you'll start the next segment called the max phase on day 11 and continue this through day 24 to complete your 24-day challenge. You'll start the metabolic nutrition system, which is a blend of over 70 pharmaceutical-grade nutrients that's going to help fill the nutritional gaps. When you start the product, you're not going to wake up tired anymore. You're not going to have those 2 to 3 o'clock slumps. You're not going to daydream. You're just going to have a nice, productive energy throughout the day. You'll also continue to enjoy Spark, and you'll start the meal replacement shake. Our meal replacement shakes come in several flavors, and you'll love the taste for sure. But more importantly, this will deliver 24 grams of isolated protein to your system, and that's going to help fire up your metabolism first thing in the morning. The shake is the nutritional equivalent of 5 egg whites or 2 bowls of oatmeal, so a great way to start your day. Also, some people add Catalyst to their 24-day challenge, and here's why. If you include Catalyst with your challenge, you'll start to see more definition in your arms, your abs, your legs sooner, because Catalyst helps to strip body fat and preserve lean muscle tissue. So if you're the type of person that wants to see results as soon as possible, definitely add Catalyst to your challenge. Now, we believe that in order to achieve optimal health, we really need to focus on 3 things: good nutrition, quality supplementation, and of course, fitting in some form of physical activity with that. So, we also have something that can help you with the physical activity part if you don't currently have a place that you go to work out. And that's the 24-Day Challenge Workout DVD. The cool thing about this is you don't need any equipment. You just plug it into your DVD player, drink a Spark, and you'll get a great workout from anywhere in the world in under 24 minutes. So that's available to you as well. Okay, that's the 24-Day Challenge, and we'd encourage you to really give this a shot because we know you're going to get great results. There's no guesswork here. If you put great nutrition in your body has an amazing ability to do what it's supposed to do. So get back with the person who invited you to watch this. They can help get you started, and we can't wait to hear about your results. Have a great day.